So traditionally e-Power is a generator building company where we build high-end generators specifically tailored to the needs of our customer. Now we are producing more sustainable products. We really have the need for scaling up. We started from scratch with a completely empty production hall and with 90% new operators. So we were looking for a program which could support us in setting up everything, and therefore we chose Azumuta. The operators get really good work instructions from Azumuta. It is supported by pictures, by videos, and this really supports them to give them the information that they need to do all the steps perfectly.
Our operators were trained with Azumuta in a very hands-on manner. We started off with them on the same workstation and we guided them through the steps of Azumuta. Once the workers actually saw what benefits there were to Azumuta and how it could help them do their daily job better, they truly embraced it.
I can see if I'm doing it wrong or right, because there will be a video, there can be a picture, and there will be also the explanation how should I work with it. And then also you always get the new vision, which is what's updated today, you will get it today.
We have double checks. That means that new operators, when they perform a critical step, they will get a team leader to come over, and the team leader needs to double check it, and then he needs to sign it off.
The hardware we have connected with Azumuta are mainly label printers and also smart tools. And the way that is integrated is that it's directly in Azumuta and we get the info straight out of the system. Our product mainly consists out of 4 sub-assemblies. In Azumuta it's really easy to set up the link between all of them. It just takes literally one barcode to scan a product and all the necessary information is linked to it.
For instance, when you scan a wrong barcode, Azumuta will give a red message and it will trigger the operator that it's not correct and that it's not the right barcode linked to that product order. He needs to find the correct barcode to be able to continue to the next steps. At the end, we have a report with all the steps and who did it, where he did it, and under what conditions all the steps were performed. And this is really key to meet industrial standards. Azumuta really supports the collaboration in our company, since we do daily power meetings and there we can really visualize all the KPIs that we are aiming for.
Our team leaders, our operators, but also our management, they all have access to the same real-time information. It eliminates a lot of miscommunications, and on the other hand, it enables us to achieve better decision-making.
Our first time rights indicator is really improving from day to day, since we can directly implement the errors and the feedback that we get from the production floor into the system.
Azumuta in 3 words. It's clear, efficient, and reliable.
The collaboration with the Azumuta team is very good. They allow us to really adapt the system to what we want, and they're not forcing us to work in a certain rigid way. It's really tailored to our needs.
The biggest benefit I see from working with Azumuta is that from our management level all the way to our operators, we see that Azumuta is able to support us in our mission to deliver smart power solutions on an international level.